Okay, required maintenance on the exterior AC unit is very simple. During the winter time, after usage, you want to make sure that you cover the top portion of the AC unit. Only cover it down to about an inch or 2 inches below the lip edge right here, all the way around. Easiest way is just to get a tarp it over the top, and then bungee strap around here. Some people do put a flat surface of board or something over the top and weigh it down. Any which way will work, just as long as this top is covered and the components have some sort of covering on them. The reason for only going down about an inch or two, or you want these coils to breathe all the time. You never want to fully cover those. You want the air to kind of infiltrate there and keep moisture out of the unit itself. Typically it's sitting on some sort of fiberglass base, just like that. You want to make sure that these stay level at all times. It's not uncommon for the ground to settle up near the house a little bit, especially in that first year or two. And if that happens, this can rock and basically take itself out of balance. That causes the unit basically to get out of balance with the fan, and you may hear it kind of rattling, moving around, and it can affect the efficiency and the longevity of the unit itself. Make sure you keep all these coils on the outside clean. You can take a kind of a blower pack, clean all those coils, keep all of the debris out of it, whether it's sand, dirt, leaves, anything like that. Make sure it stays clean, and that includes the interior side of that unit as well. Always check where these coil lines enter the house right here. Make sure that those stay sealed at all times. And the unit itself always has a disconnect here. This is basically for power, and if you flip that door up, basically what you have underneath there is a breaker. Looks just like a breaker down in the basement that would be in the electrical panel with an on-off switch. If AC isn't working inside and you've checked everything on the interior, make sure you come out here and check this disconnect and make sure it hasn't tripped for any reason, and turn that back on. This is mainly for any kind of maintenance. This would be a shut-off source for a company to come in, HVAC company, and maintain this unit for you. It is always recommended to get on a service program, especially after that first year, and make sure that all of this equipment is maintained.